Which way is successful or which way is right? Each one, because each path is a single path. Selectable in exactly one way, in exactly one unique and only possible combination. This time will never happen again, and so it is better to live it with all our beauty, gratitude, dedication, and love. To explore the path together with the reflections we have created. To escape the version that every one of our reflections is actually our enemy. As a polarity, each reflection is our complement. And in this respect, it can only be of help to me. That's how enemies become friends. The unknown becomes known. The impossible becomes orgasm. Won't we get bored? Are you bored by now? An entire infinity, you are reborn. And you will continue in the future because you are eternal, and that is unchangeable. What you emit is what you will receive, but never what is emitted and received will be repeated. So experience your path with all your dedication to that path. This is the only possible way to explore yourself with gratitude and love. Otherwise, you would still be exploring. Again, you would cross the road with resentment, hatred, in the narrowed limitation of narrow frequency vibrations. You have the opportunity to tap into every single frequency as we did today, to meet every single person you desire, to be in every single place you can think of. Are you limited? No. You are infinite. Do you want to explore this infinity? And will this process end somewhere? And ever